Look at my squiggle monster. She's smiling. Get in the swim pool. This little devil was riding, Mama was riding the little devil until Delissa decided that she couldn't hold her no longer.
You ain't going now. Let me see.
You got her.
No, Alice. Come here.
There she goes.
He's done. Let's go sleep now.
She's about riding around. We finally got a warm day.
You go riding? Come on.
Get her, Mama. Get her, Mama.
Come on.
Get up there. Go to Mama.
Come on, you wanna ride?
Get her. Get up there.
Come on this side. Alice, I can't get you up here with this side. Come on. Right here. There you go. Come on. My hand's wet and I got lotion on my hands. Come here. My hand off on anything.
Squiggles. Miss Alice there, she loves riding on ATVs. I got to figure out the way of building a box to go on the back of one of these things so she can ride, so we can take her riding all the time. But eventually, maybe. But let's go around this way so we can. She enjoys riding around on the ATVs. Maybe, like I said, eventually I'll get my shop cleaned out enough that where I can go riding. But it's such a beautiful day, and it's sad to be doing it, having to be cleaning up the shop. Hey, look.
I'm wet and dirty and full of fur.
Oh,
Muscles cramping.
let's see what that are. Get back out where we can get down in the creek where I can show that daggum Honda up here. So
Did you ride today?
Get my Polaris.
Did you ride today?
No.
Thank you.
I got to clean at the shop.
Excuses? You have an excuse for everything.
I got to clean the shop up so we can park. So we got a place to park.
What's 5 minutes? They've sat outside for 4 days.
Well.
Excuses?
But Miss Alice there, she's.
Come on, Allie. You want help? Want help, Mama? Come on.
She's going four-wheeling. Now she wants to play. She's got a tub. Give me that toy. Give me that toy. Come on, give me that toy. Give me that raccoon. Give me that raccoon. I want a raccoon. I want no raccoon. I want no raccoon. Give me that raccoon. I want that raccoon. Give me that raccoon. Oh, raccoon, no.
Huh?
Woo! You come up and she'll quit playing.
Want help? Come on.
You gonna help Mama?
Come on, Allie.
Or you gonna help me?
Come on. Bye, see ya.
Yeah. Oh, Lordy. Well, let's go back down here and work on this in shop so I can get it cleaned out so I can have some fun. The wind's blowing, seems like, I guess we'd say 30, 40 mile an hour, but it feels like 90 mile an hour winds up here on top of the mountain today. But as you can see, I have one jungle of a mess down here. I can't even actually get the four-wheelers back in here right now, so let's see what we can do about straightening this jungle up.